All right, let's talk about a tool that's fast becoming a secret weapon for creators and entrepreneurs, Perplexity AI. If you've ever felt like you're just drowning in a sea of information trying to keep up with everything, well, this might just be the clarity machine you've been searching for.
And let's just start with a statement that probably hits a little too close to home for anyone trying to build something online. It's so true, right? It's not that you lack talent or good ideas, it's the sheer crushing volume of everything you have to do just to stay afloat.
You know that feeling? Your brain is just screaming into a pillow. You're trying to research what your competitors are doing, you're trying to jump on trends that seem to vanish overnight, and on top of it all, you have to constantly plan, create, and post content. It is a one-way ticket to burnout before you even really get started.
But what if you had a tool that was actually designed to cut through all of that noise? Not some other flashy AI toy, but something that acts like a real-life assistant, a clarity machine designed to give you exactly what you need right when you need it. And that's Perplexity AI. Now, it's not just another chatbot or your standard search engine. People are calling it an answer engine. And the whole point is to give you direct, accurate answers, complete with its sources, instead of just handing you a long list of links that you have to sift through yourself. Okay, so here's where it gets really interesting, especially when you compare it to something like ChatGPT, which we all know. Perplexity takes a search-first approach. That means it defaults to searching the live web so its info is current. And, this is huge, it gives you citations. ChatGPT is more of a model-first tool, optimized for creativity and conversation. Perplexity, on the other hand, is built for research and accuracy. It's less about having a chat and more about getting verifiable answers fast.
So that's great, but how can you actually use this thing to build a business? Well, let's walk through what we can call the AI business blueprint, something that takes you all the way from a raw idea to real execution. We can really break it down into 3 simple but incredibly powerful steps. First, uncovering your market at lightning speed. Second, crafting a really unique and compelling brand personality. And third, automating your content engine, so you can actually focus on the big picture stuff.
So for step 1, market research. Honestly, this is where Perplexity feels like an unfair advantage. Instead of spending weeks digging through websites and social media, you can just ask it, hey, what are my top competitors' messaging strategies? What content gaps exist in my niche? What are the biggest pain points my audience is talking about online right now? You get answers in minutes, not months. Now for step 2, crafting your brand. Let's say you're building an AI model, or even just your own personal brand. The personality is everything, and you can get super specific. Look at this prompt. With just a few keywords, Perplexity can give you a whole blueprint, backstories, voice styles, even storytelling ideas. You're not just brainstorming, you're literally engineering a character. And this just perfectly illustrates step 3, content automation. You can ask Perplexity to build you an entire posting calendar based on a theme. So here, it's a staycation arc for an AI model. It gives you the themes, the caption hooks, even suggested post times. You could generate a whole month's worth of strategic content in one sitting. And when you start to put all these pieces together, it's about way more than just getting ideas. It's about building a completely new, supercharged workflow that's faster, smarter, and just built to last.
So, you might be wondering, does this actually work in the real world? Well, yeah. There was this one digital marketing agency that used this exact approach for a client. The result? They boosted that client's organic traffic by 45% in just 3 months. That's what happens when you combine data-driven strategy with incredible speed.
Seriously, think of Perplexity as the ultimate assistant. It handles all that tedious, time-consuming stuff that just drains your creative energy. It'll fact-check your claims and give you the sources. It'll read a dense research paper and give you the highlights for a video. It can even take a simple outline and write an entire YouTube script for you, already optimized for SEO. And when you start using an assistant like this, it leads to a really important shift in your mindset. It stops being about, oh no, AI is replacing me, and it becomes something else entirely.
This right here, this is the key. Just let that sink in for a second. These tools aren't here to make you or your skills obsolete. They're here to be a force multiplier. They are here to amplify your talent and your vision. All of a sudden, it's actually possible for one person to manage projects that would have taken a whole team just a few years ago. You really can run an AI model's social media, a YouTube channel, a blog, all of it, without completely burning out. Perplexity is like the brain assistant that lets you execute on your ideas 5 times faster. So, I want to leave you with this final thought.
The barrier to building a real online presence, a full-fledged business, has literally never been lower. When you have a tool that can research, strategize, and create for you 24/7, the only real limit is your own ambition. So, what would you build?